Melody Valley Christian High School. They will be performing to Take Me In. This is Static's founding year. They are very excited to compete and be part of USA. This year they plan to compete and perform at chapels, rallies, and their spring dance show. This is their first performance as a team, and they hope you enjoy it. Here is Valley Christian High School.
Take me in, hold me, rock me, kiss me, knock me down. Take me in. If I'm crying, I don't have my words. Speak